Yo mga freelance katok. So today I just wanna share my small win. Nakakuha tayo ng small contract. This small contract is nakakalaga ng $15 per hour. So ayun, just 2 weeks ago lang nawala yung client ko, $12 per hour. Pero ito napalitan siya ng $15 per hour. So thankful tayo ngayon. So ang job natin dito sa contract natin is website development and SEO service. So ang mapapayo ko lang sa inyo, mag-upskill kayo, optimize your profile talaga, submit ng proposal. Kahit rejected kayo, may interview ka, at least every failure counts yan eh. Every failure become your strength. Kaya huwag kayo mapawad mag-submit ng proposal. Makakabingwit din kayo